I'm Luke Manley from VTL, and we're a second-generation family business. My father and I started the company back in 1986. Anyway, B and I now run the company, and we're demoing what we feel is a really wonderful system here at CES. Preamp in our line for quite a while as a TL 2.5, and it's I for improved. We added a gain switch on the line stage, which is right here. You can switch it between 8 and 14 dB of gain. CD players have been now putting higher levels, and there's no need really for 20 dB of what line stages used to be. And
CD players? What are CD players?
I don't know. Those things that we had some time back. But but when you're using phono, which is the phono stage here, you need more gain, so we switch it to 14 dB for phono. There's the poop sheet on it. Sorry.
Is your poop sheet?
Yeah, the dope on it. But we revoiced the circuit and lowered the feedback, made it sound quite a bit dramatically better, strangely enough, with these gain switches. And then for the phono stage, we added trickle-down technology from our TP 6.5 and TP 2.5, added the loading, the JFET tube MC stage, and the ability to load cartridges and set gain for MC. It also has an MM input, which is set by means of these jumpers. So like a $3,000 line stage, and add another 1,000 for phono, made in the USA. I think that's going to be, that's a hot price point for us.
Yeah, that's a great price point.
And it gets people into our line. I think that people nowadays, young people coming in, are phono, headphones, and streaming. Yep. We don't do any digital products, but we have a headphone jack on our IT85, which comes off the output stage. You've listened to this one, I think.
I have, yeah.
Comes off the output section, the tube section, not just an op amp. And this is an inside view of the TL 6.5 that you just heard, which has as much of the circuitry of the 7.5 as we could put in. A shunt regulated power supply, resistor relay volume control, the tube gain stage is shop mounted, and the FET output stage that the 7.5 has.
And the rest of the system that we're just about to listen to?
The S400 Series 2 is the amplifier in the middle. It's a fully balanced, and here's an inside look at it. It's a fully balanced amplifier with a auto bias and fault sensing and damping factor settings. We set it to medium for this system. It's a 300 watt power amp using 6550s or KT88s. Wilson Watt Puppy. I don't think they call it Watt Puppy anymore, but Wilson Sasha 2.
Yeah, right.
Transparent Opus cable. Our TP 6.5 phono stage. Spiral Groove SG 1.1. And Centroid arm and the Lyra Etna cartridge. And Nordos power cable.
Okay, we've spun up Ambiso. Tales from the Treetops.
I live in a tree house. I can see the world from up here. I live in a tree house. I am safe from the world way up here. I let the birds fly through my walls. I live in a tree house. My friends come play with me. I live in a tree house. I am 4 years old. Well, almost. When I'm alone in my little home, I feel so good, I'm warm and dry. When I cook for my bestest friends, cookies of sand made from my hands.
back and decay with the piano.
I live in a tree house. I can see the sky all around me. I live in a tree house, and the sky is pink, and the sky is blue. I live in a tree house.
Now VTL teamed up with Wilson. It's like your own personal ambition concert. Simply stunning.